We need to do a simple fluid exchange on the rear diff on the Subaru Impreza. How to do that? Let me show you. And we got some of this gear oil. What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and today we're working on a Subaru Impreza, a 2005 Outback wagon. And beautiful little red car right here. We've got to go underneath and go ahead and take care of a leaky diff in the rear and just do a drain and fill in the fluid. I'm sure it hasn't been done for 100,000 miles, probably nasty. So let's go under there, do this real quick, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, going right under here. And as you can see, a small little rear diff is right here. Nice and greasy, 100,000 miles or so. Get the gear oil right next to it. So make sure we take off the fill port first, just so make sure you actually get to it. Then we're going to crack open the bottom and drain bolt. Make sure you got a nice pan and some rags to kind of clean up afterwards. So first crack this, see how we do. I put a little simple like power green cleaning stuff on here, but didn't work great. I don't want any problems, so I'm going in big with my big old breaker bar here. There we go. Got a little angle on there. Nice. Okay, not too shabby, not too shabby. Extension right there, my breaker bar. And then here we go. I'm gonna use this like my small little buddy here. Good, we're able to move that, so I'm just gonna take it out right now. Okay, so, woo, that's a good smell. That's a good smell. Let me clean this up here a little bit. Let's see what we get off of that. Yeah, it's kind of grimy, kind of stuck with junk. All right, so that wasn't exactly a magnet, but just had stuff on it. All right, smells about right. I'm gonna put that up to the side. Go for the next one here. We have this huge extension here. I went from like smaller to bigger with the adapter, just so I could reach it from all the way back here. Because you know I don't have a lift, and like I want everything to be level and get all the stuff out. So let's go ahead, get this dialed in, pop this open. Okay, guys, this is pretty tight. I'm just going like for like half inch here. There we go. Cool. Yeah, it looks pretty juicy right there, people. Fluid, dark, but at least it's not like gray glop coming out of there. So, got the magnet. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. There we go. Woo. Oh, doing a home brew here. I got a little bit of a hose on the tip here because we really need to get some angle on this. I don't have those, like, this is like older bottles, so you got those big old squeeze things. So I'm going to try, well, yeah, I'm going to put it right into the bowl there. That worked well. Okay. There we go. So I'm just going to see what comes out of here. It worked. Good, good, good. So I got enough angles now. Clear bluish fluid is coming out of there. That's real. I'm going to plug that up because we ain't got all day. Let's go here. There we go. It's going to be pretty snug, honestly. But, again, I don't want to go too nuts. We're going to fill this up, and it's going to all just start flowing out once we're at the correct level. So this might take some time, but let's go ahead. So I got 2 bottles here. I just had... Oh, come on! Try to hold everything together. Sometimes you just sit here and wonder where the fluid actually goes. So is it actually filling anything up? Probably not. That is definitely full. Alright. This up. And that took a long time. So that takes about a bottle of fluid. The other one's about half empty. So we have this all there. Alright, tighten up. And there we go. Alright, simple enough for the most part. And so there you go. I have the tools of what I use down below if you want to go ahead and get any of those. If you have them, then you have the reference to be able to use those. So go ahead and get all those little fill bolts off. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to thumbs up right there. Make sure to subscribe for more content down below, quite like this and much more. If you have any questions or comments about anything, go ahead, leave something down below. Love to help you guys out. Check my merch show down below and just those links for if you need any of those tools. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. It's GTSam. I'm going to catch you next time.